everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Shopify. If you want to get started and create a new account for Shopify, then first download the Shopify application from your App Store or your Play Store. Once you've got it, tap on it to launch it open. The first interface of Shopify will look like this. To create a new account, tap on Get Started. On the next page, select one of the options that best describes you and tap the next button at the bottom. You can go through all of the questions and answer them, or you can skip the questions for now by tapping the Skip All or the Skip button. On the next page, select your location from the drop-down. After you are done, tap Next. You'll need to tap on the Continue button in the pop-up. It'll then take you to Shopify.com, where you can go ahead and create a Shopify ID. You can continue signing up with email, Apple, Facebook, or Google account. Let's tap on Continue with email. On the next page, enter your email address. Once done, type in a strong password, which is at least 8 characters long. Once you are done entering a strong password, tap on Create Shopify ID. Wait for a few minutes and you have successfully signed up for Shopify. Shopify is a subscription-based platform with different plans available to accommodate various business needs and sizes. You can go ahead and select a perfect plan for yourself, and then you'll be able to manage your online store right away from the platform. That is how you can easily sign up for Shopify. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.